Welcome. In this video I will go through the random questions you can expect in your computerized learners test. There is about 1,500 questions reviewed by the National Inspectorate of Driving Licenses. Let's go through some of these. First, reversible lane lines. The purpose for this road mark is to warn vehicles that on the other side, the vehicles is moving in the opposite direction. Also, the right lane may be used by vehicles in opposite directions at different times. You should be on the lookout for approaching vehicles. When driving a minibus and conveying passengers on a freeway, the speed limit otherwise indicated by a sign should be 100 km/h. When flags have to be used to indicate projections, they must be red and at least 300 mm by 300 mm. The purpose of flag signals is to direct traffic in areas where there is roadworks ahead. The following signals will indicate the driver of the following: flag signal of stop, and the flag signal to proceed. Also the flag signal to warn drivers to proceed slowly and to be alert. Temporary signs, signs that has a yellow background. The use of a temporary sign implies that for some reason, circumstances on the road is not normal, and that these signs should be obeyed if it is displayed. This warns you of a camera monitoring the intersection at the traffic light. Rules for no parking. You may not park in front of an entrance, within 9 meters from a marked pedestrian crossing, not closer than 1.5 meters from a fire hydrant, not more than 450 mm from a curb if it is not marked, next to the left edge lane on a freeway not closer than 1 meter. When driving, it is ideal to check the mirrors while driving at least every 5 to 8 seconds. Service brakes, parking brakes and emergency brakes must be fitted on a heavy motor vehicle. When you see this sign on the freeway, always pass on the left-hand side of this sign if you wish to leave the freeway, and on the right-hand side if you wish to continue on the freeway. If you are driving on a dual carriageway and you are traveling faster than other vehicles, you should drive in the right-hand lane. This sign shows the driver of a vehicle that there is an alternative route at the next intersection to the right. You should decide in advance whether you want to take the toll or alternative route. The purpose of these signs is to point out that a route other than the toll route can be followed. Countdown signs. You will find them on a freeway on the left-hand side. The signs indicate that there is an exit about 300 meters, 200 meters, and 100 meters ahead. When following another vehicle, the driver should follow at a safe distance and be able to stop the vehicle safely in an emergency situation, or should the vehicle in front stop or slow down, a safe following distance is 2 seconds. When refilling the fuel tank with petrol or inflammable fuel, the driver may not cause or allow the engine to run whilst petrol or other inflammable fuel is being transferred to the fuel tank. Vehicles are considered abandoned if it is parked in the same place for 24 hours or more outside an urban area, and if it may cause damage or obstruct traffic. When may you have parts of your body protruding beyond the vehicle? Only when hand signals are been given by the driver. You will find this command sign in areas where there are tourist attractions and airports. The sign tells that only tour buses may be there. Also, the following sign indicates a route that there is a tourism attraction. This guidance sign shows you a service exit sequence ahead, for example, fuel stations, police station, hospital, or park. The license disc of a motor vehicle must be displayed or affixed to the lower left-hand corner on the inside of the windscreen. When the holder of a license has changed their place of residence permanently, he or she must notify the registering authority in whose they are ordinarily resident of the new residential and postal address within 14 days. Also, the grace period after a vehicle's license disc has expired that it may still be operated on a public road is 21 days. A roller blind sign is a variable message sign, which means that the message on this sign can be changed according to road conditions and are used to provide real-time information to manage traffic effectively. This is only a few questions you can expect in the test. I will make more of these to help you pass your learners. Thank you for watching. Until next time.